What's up, guys? Harry here. This is a crazy day in cryptocurrency land. Manipulation, who knows what. I mean, it's just going crazy. I'm here to tell you what's going to go on with Bitcoin. What am I looking for in the future? How we're going to react to this. And without further ado, let's get started. So, looking here, we've had this massive pump from Mr. Elon Musk himself. What does this mean? Well, I want to tell you in the future that this means a lot. So, first of all, Elon Musk adopting Bitcoin. So that's his first step is he's looking at Bitcoin. Why is he looking at Bitcoin? Well, there's two reasons, you know. So the richest man in the world, with the leading company that's advancing, technology and the world in a very, very fast pace is now interested in cryptography. And this is why, this is what we've all been waiting for, and this is what we knew was going to happen. So there's two reasons why he's interested in Bitcoin. Reason number one is holding the dollar, he loses 20% of his value that he's made on his balance sheet per year. If he holds Bitcoin, he will appreciate his value. And like Michael said of MicroStrategy, this would be a similar circumstance. But what will happen is if Elon Musk convert his balance sheet to Bitcoin, we will not only pump, but other companies would follow because he is the leading company and Bitcoin therefore would be mass adopted. But the second reason is that Elon Musk plans to be on Mars by 2025, and I don't think he'll be flying his SpaceX ship with you know $1 trillion when we go to colonize Mars. Like, yeah, this is a long, long, long way away, but I don't think that we'll colonize Mars with dollars in the back of his spaceship. No, he will use Bitcoin, and this is why he sees a future in cryptography. An example is Mr. Beast, a very famous YouTuber, has the plan to send $1 million worth of Bitcoin to the moon. This is all, basically saying that, this is gonna go up, and this is what we've all been waiting for. Elon Musk saved the dump. To be honest, you could say that this is planned. I mean, there's going to be a lot of conspiracy theories, but let me stop talking about that. If you are interested about me talking about the future and stuff like that, I definitely could make a video on that, but let's look at the price. What's happening now? We are having a massive dump. We hit my box. I mean, look how perfectly this hit. How have I drawn this box? And if you don't believe, go check my last video where the exact same price this box is drawn. I will not put it in this video because I need to save time. Well, first of all, look at this, guys. It's resistance here, perfect resistance at this point here and this point here. And I said, if we do manage to close a 4 hour above this, I do look for a reversal. We are not out the blue yet, guys. We are not out the blue. This is just a pump of retail FOMOing in. We are not out the blue. I repeat. So, we need to get above the 7,000. $37,000 range. We really need to close a 4 hour above that. Not only that, I mean, if we do say retail and some institutions start dumping here, we could come lower. But really, what makes me think that, Bitcoin is going up in the long term. We all know that. This stuff doesn't matter. This doesn't matter at all, these small dumps. This doesn't scare me because this is what I've been telling you. Never time to panic. But if you look at this is also bots. You know why this is bots? Look, take the Fibonacci from here to the last dump we've had here, and look what algo target it gives you. It gives you exactly, look, I've drawn that exactly from the bottom here to this point here. You can see that that's the black there. It gives you an exact target of the 0.618 extension, and look, it's hitting the Fibonacci point perfectly. If you don't believe me, I'll draw it again, but I won't. But yeah, I'm very excited, guys, if you can hear. But look at this, it hit that point perfectly. So this is bots selling off their profits. It's pretty simple. This is a bit of bots selling some profits. And this is the 30-minute, by the way. But let's go look at the higher time frames. I mean, there's not much to say here. There's not much at all to say, to be honest. The only thing we have to get above, we have to get above this $37,000 range, guys. This is really, really important. Now, I don't mind, what might happen is, where's my drawing tool? Oh, let me favorite that. There we go. So what might happen is we see support, resistance. So we might come down here and bounce. If we see that and close a 4 hour above 37,000, this box level I have drawn coming in exactly at 37,700. If we do close above here, I will say this is a reversal, guys. This is, sorry, the only thing that's stopping me. The next target I see after this reversal, I don't think it stops here. I think we do see Bitcoin easily. If we do get above, oops. If we do get above this $37,000 range, I do see us easily coming up to the 39 and probably pull back there, play out a little, and then continue up and onwards. But we need to close above this resistance here. It's very important because for me, this is just a little pump, right? I mean, look, if we sell back into there, we've created a wick. If we can close above this resistance here, if we can close above this resistance, we practically can go up, fill the range, and if we close above this range, then it's continuation. But then that looks like a reversal. I don't see it as a reversal because what could happen? We could just come back down. Because if you look at the higher time frames and the scheme of things, if we had a chart that looks like this, you know, and then we came, resistance, and then we came here and reject. Look at this, guys. This is not an uptrend. Can you see that? This is holding the price down. It's not beaten the last significant high. So, for me, I want to see something like this. I want to see us. Why are they not drawing? Come on, man, draw for me. We come up, and if we break here like this, now look at this, we've broken the last high, and now we're in trend reversal. And this is when I'm not even going to bother looking at Stokes because they're going to be at a weird level. I mean, we've never seen they want to cross down, of course, below 35. It doesn't matter. It's very simple with this, to be honest, guys. We need to close above that 37,700, and that's it. That's the important stage, and then I call this a reversal. So we're not out the blue yet. I'm bringing you here to let you know. And looking at Ethereum quickly, Ethereum is getting a pump with Bitcoin. That's just liquidity falling in. Ethereum, I want Ethereum to close above this 1367 range. If we do close above this range right here like so, I do look for us to go at least and tap this resistance easily, 1413, and I don't think it stops there, but that comes with Bitcoin. With that being said, remember guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. I will always give these daily updates. I'm here to update you, here to let you know what's going on. Remember guys, take care, trade sharp. Sorry for the loud voice. I'm a bit like, in this video I was shouting a bit like, in this video, never mind. I won't go and start on that. Shout out to the moon, by the way. My favorite, uh, nothing anyways. I'll leave it at that. Take care, guys.